Welcome to Pro News Flash. Bitcoin is changing hands and preparing for a breakthrough. Let's dive into the latest developments. Bitcoin is changing hands and becoming a traditional market asset. Back in 2020, according to Flipside Crypto, 2% of accounts owned 95% of the coins issued. Miners, offshore funds, and anonymous wallets were called crypto whales. With this market structure, minor sell-offs of digital assets led to serious fluctuations in Bitcoin. In 2018, an outflow of 2% of tokens led to a 74% collapse in prices. In 2022, an outflow of 9% caused Bitcoin to fall by 64%. Currently, the cryptocurrency's consolidation in the range of 100,000 to 111,000 over several months hides its transition from crypto wallets to institutional investors. According to 10x Research, over the past 12 months, ETF, strategy, and similar companies, as well as asset managers, have absorbed about 900,000 coins. They already own 4.8 million of the approximately 20 million Bitcoins in circulation. The change in the structure of holders is adjusting the speculative nature of digital assets. Fluctuations of 10 to 20% per day and 1,400% per year, as seen in 2017, are a thing of the past. Over the next few years, we should expect annual changes in Bitcoin quotes in the range of 10 to 20%. This is how traditional assets behave. Thus, the calm in the Bitcoin market is deceptive. Behind the outward calm lie turbulent processes of digital assets, moving from one class of holders to another, from crypto whales to institutional investors. As a result, the 30-day implied volatility of Bitcoin, according to Deribit's BTC Volatility Index, has fallen to its lowest level in 2 years. And the correlation between the cryptocurrency sector leader and U.S. stock indices is changing from time to time from direct to inverse. The transformation from a high-risk to a traditional asset means that today you can earn less money from investing in Bitcoin than you could yesterday. However, there is also good news. Cryptocurrency has survived and is attracting the interest of major players. This means that you can confidently make it part of your investment portfolio. The mistrust and fears that digital assets are scams and pyramid schemes have disappeared. Stay with Pro News for more updates on events happening in the crypto markets. Like, share, and subscribe.